I tell them to follow this page. Say please follow this page.
Please follow this page.
And share this video.
Share this video.
Comment on this video.
Comment on this video.
And like this video.
I like this video.
Say God bless you all.
God bless you all.
Okay. So guys, this is the end of the emergency Indomie. As you can see, this for merriment in my life. Thank you.
I did not say it for Mama Elliot.
Okay, sorry, and for Mama Elliot.
I did not say it for Elliot.
And for Elliot.
For Michelle.
And for Michelle.
And for Mommy.
And for Mommy.
And for Elliot.
And for Elliot. So guys, this is the Indomie. And for Miracle too?
Yes.
Okay.
For Ariel.
And for Ariel. Alright, no problem. They will share your video, okay?
Yes.
Yeah, and you tell them to follow you. Tell them to follow this page.
Yes, follow this page.
Merci. Yeah, bisous then, bisous.
How to prepare emergency Indomie noodles.
So let me teach you how to prepare emergency Indomie. So here I have 4 Indomie and here this one is the ingredients also for me. I'm going to be using 3 of these. You might use 4, but for me, so you pick it for me. So yeah. And here is my pepper and onion and water. So I have to boil the water. And for me, I think 2 eggs is okay for me. So before we wait for the water to boil, I have to slice my onion first. Yes, for those of you who are expecting your girlfriend, you can prepare this emergency Indomie for them. But for me, sorry, I don't have a girlfriend. I have a wife. Don't mind me. I'm a responsible father. I don't do girlfriend stuff. Okay, so now we already have. Okay, so now we already have the boiled water here. So you turn it inside the Indomie. Then you put your 2 eggs here. Then you cover the egg, and at the same time don't forget to cover your Indomie just for some 4-5 minutes, just for the Indomie to just get soaked. So I'll boil 2 eggs and I'll put 2 eggs here. Okay, so I think it's good to go like this. What we need to do is to filter the Indomie. So here you put your pepper and your onion. And for me, the ingredients, I only use 3. I only use 3 of the ingredients. Mix. I was once a chef when I was in Panya, 1954. When I was in Panya, I was once a chef. Then we cut the second ingredients. This is emergency Indomie. Then the third ingredient. Sorry. And with egg. Never know my story. No be like my try this one. House of Saga.
Papa mini, yes. Only you want to do comedy, then no know you wahala. Don't worry, I go grow. If I grow, I go grow. And if I grow, then go know me. And if they
So,
know me.
good to go.
Maka, you don't have celebrity be that
So
oh.
you put your frying pan, they call it frying pot, no. Then put your oil.
This one loud oh. If I mess them, go comments like share and follow.
See, just little, not much.
People right there, body is so. House of safety. People right there, body is so.
You can support us by following this page, please. House of Saga Comedy, and please like, share, and just follow this page, please. My decision. You want to see me? So, please, I'm in.
House of safety.
It's ready. This one called my decision.
Yes.
Papa Mimi don't come again with another one, no. House of Saga, not because I never became celebrity guy. House of Saga, that is why they never know my story.
It's too egg.
This one,
I see egg.
Saga.
What do you see now? Can you hold on to this here?
Only you want to do comedy, they don't know you are.
So guys, this is the end of the emergency Indomie. As you can see,
If I blow them, go know me and if
I tell them to share this video.
you don't tell celebrity be that
I tell them to follow. Please follow this page.
Follow this page.
Look at them. Tell them, see, please follow this page.
Please follow this page.
Then when I follow you, okay? You have many followers. Okay? Then we follow you.
And then we follow you.
Yes, I follow you too.
And then we follow Michelle.
Yeah, follow Michelle. So guys, this is the end of the
Follow mommy.
yes, this is the end of the emergency. So guys, this is the end of the emergency Indomie, as you can see. This one, moments. Okay. Okay, sorry, and for Mama Elliot. And for Elliot. And for Michelle.
That is why them never know my story. No be like my
And for Elliot. So guys, this is the Indomie. And for Miracle too.
Papa me
And for Aye.
you want to do comedy.
I will share your video, okay? And tell them to follow this.
Don't worry,
Tell them to follow this page.
if I grow, I go grow. And if I blow, then
Let's
go
see.
know me and if they
Yeah,
know.
bisous them, bisous.
Maka, you don't have celebrity be